Right now, standing on this planet, the universe feels familiar. A sky, some stars, a moon. But you are about to lose your sense of scale completely. Look down from 10 kilometers up. Cities become tiny grids of light. The world feels enormous. It is not. This is nothing compared to what comes next. 100 kilometers up, the Kármán line, the edge of space. That thin blue glow is our entire atmosphere, the only thing keeping every living creature alive. 10,000 kilometers. The full Earth in view, every ocean, every mountain, every human alive right now, all of it on that one small ball floating in darkness. 384,000 kilometers away sits the moon. That black, empty gap between Earth and moon, that is the furthest any human has ever traveled. 12 people have walked on that moon. 12 in all of human history. We went there, looked back, and never went further. That boundary is still the edge of human reach. Now the sun enters view. 109 Earths fit across its diameter. 1 million Earths fit inside it. And this is just an average, ordinary, unremarkable star. Solar flares erupt from its surface, stretching millions of kilometers into space. This has been happening continuously for 4.5 billion years without a single pause. Light leaves the sun at 300,000 kilometers per second, the ultimate speed limit of the universe. It still takes 8 full minutes to reach Earth. 8 minutes. The inner planets come into view: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, tiny dots. Then the asteroid belt. The solar system is not full of planets. It is almost entirely empty space. Jupiter. 1,300 Earths fit inside it. Its great red spot, a storm larger than our entire planet, has been raging continuously for over 400 years. Saturn's rings stretch wider than 6 Earths side by side, yet they are only 10 meters thick. Something impossibly large and impossibly thin existing at the same time. Neptune. Deep cobalt blue, the outermost planet. From here, the sun looks like a bright star. The warmth of home is already gone. Cold and darkness dominate everything here. The entire solar system, every planet, every moon, every rock, fits into a tiny cluster of dots orbiting one point of light. Everything we have ever visited in one small spot. Voyager 1, launched in 1977, still traveling 23 billion kilometers from Earth, the furthest human-made object in existence. And it has barely left our neighborhood. Voyager needs 300 more years just to reach the Oort cloud, the true outer boundary of our solar system. 300 years at full speed just to reach the edge. Beyond the Oort cloud, interstellar space, pure darkness. Our sun is now just one faint star among millions. No warmth, no sound, no reference point. Complete empty void. The nearest star system is 4.2 light-years away. The light entering your eyes when you look at it tonight left those stars 4 full years ago. You see the past. Alpha Centauri, 3 stars orbiting each other in the dark, beautiful and unreachable. Our fastest spacecraft would take 37,000 years to arrive there. 4.2 light-years of emptiness separates our sun from the nearest star. Almost nothing fills that space. The distance between stars is just darkness and silence and void. More stars now appearing, dozens, then hundreds, then thousands rushing into frame. Each one a sun, each potentially with worlds. The numbers grow beyond comprehension. Spiral structure begins emerging, stars curving into flowing arms, nebulae glowing between them. Something enormous is taking shape in the darkness ahead of us. The Milky Way, 400 billion stars, 100,000 light-years across. Our sun, our Earth, our entire history. One invisible point somewhere inside this structure. We sit 26,000 light-years from the galactic center. Not special, not central. We are in the quiet outer suburbs of one average spiral galaxy among trillions, moving toward the galactic center now. The star field grows impossibly dense. Thousands of stars packed tightly together. Gravitational forces here dwarf anything in our neighborhood. Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at our galaxy's center. 4 million solar masses. Stars orbit it at millions of kilometers per hour. Space bends visibly around it. Pulling back, a second galaxy appears. Andromeda, 2.5 million light-years away. The light you see from it tonight left before modern humans walked on Earth. Andromeda is heading directly toward us. In 4.5 billion years, these two galaxies will collide and merge. Nothing in either galaxy will survive unchanged. Our Milky Way and Andromeda belong to the local group, 54 galaxies bound by gravity, a small cosmic family drifting together through the larger darkness of space. The local group shrinks to a speck inside the Virgo supercluster. Over 1,300 galaxies, 110 million light-years across, our galaxy invisible at this scale. Something invisible pulls everything here. The Great Attractor. All 1,300 galaxies streaming toward a hidden mass we cannot directly observe behind our own galaxy. Even Virgo is just one region of Laniakea, our true home supercluster, 100,000 galaxies, 520 million light-years across, flowing as one structure. One more pullback reveals the cosmic web, filaments of galaxies stretching hundreds of millions of light-years. Between them, vast empty voids where almost nothing exists. The observable universe. A sphere 93 billion light-years across. Every galaxy, every star, every atom we have ever detected exists somewhere inside this single boundary. Rotating slowly, the observable universe shows varying densities, bright regions packed with galaxies, dark regions of almost total emptiness, structure at incomprehensible scale. Zooming into one region reveals thousands of galaxies where one appeared before, scale within scale within scale. No matter how closely you look, there is always more hidden inside. At the edge glows the cosmic microwave background, ancient radiation from 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the oldest light the universe has ever produced. The boundary approaches. Beyond this glowing wall, light has not had enough time to reach us since the universe began. This is not the end of the universe, just the end of our vision. Looking outward from the edge, pure darkness. No galaxies, no light, no signal of any kind. Just infinite unknown space beginning where our knowledge ends, crossing the boundary into the unknown. The observable universe shrinks behind us, a single glowing sphere in absolute darkness. Everything humanity has ever known inside that light. In the darkness beyond, faint outlines appear. More universe, perhaps extending forever with no center and no edge. The universe may not have an end at all. Our observable universe. One bubble in potentially infinite space. One glowing sphere among perhaps countless others, each a complete universe.